very unique school called the Schoolhouse on Long Island, and possibly it's a template for other elementary schools to maybe move past old standards and do something new in terms of effectiveness. What should everyone know from the Schoolhouse that you picked up when you expanded your visit? You went from Massapequa to Suffolk County, over to Northport.
Well, it was really an amazing school. I mean, John and Mimosa, the husband and wife team who run that, were just incredible with the devotion. And they built this. I mean, this was money that they put into it. So it gets back to the notion of a one-room school. It's clearly much more than a one-room school. But what it shows is hands-on learning. And it shows how students progress at their own pace. They're not sitting in one class lined up row by row. They're progressing at their own pace. And when they master, one particular problem, then they go on to the next at the next level. And I think the other thing that impressed me is that students who are in different classes, who may be a little older than the grade below them, if they've mastered a subject, then they're also used as tutors for the students that are underneath. And so you have this constant grouping of kids that are working together to sort through problems. And it's just an amazing system. You don't hear, there's no disruption in the class. Kids are busy. They're focused on what they're doing. It was such an impressive school. I'd like to see it used as a model in many schools around the country.